Hey guys, it's Liz. So right now it is 7:12 at night and I actually just woke up. I figured I'd make the intro now because he's in the shower. I actually woke up like 3 minutes ago. He woke me up because it's, 7 o'clock. Which he always does. And he wakes me up the sweetest way, so I really can't be mad. And he does it to just get me up, so, um, I'm not mad at the way he gets me up. Um, so, yeah, hopefully I can make the vlog like yesterday. Well, not like yesterday, where it was like all clipped and stuff. But I do want to make it like 9 minutes or something. Sorry if I'm talking a little bad right now. Like I said, I just woke up. And I always talk like this when I just wake up. So do forgive me. Um, I'm very out of it. And I will be for a couple of minutes. But right now he's in the shower. I'm probably gonna get up and go to the bathroom and take a shower. When he's done, because I do have to use the bathroom. He woke me up and went into the bathroom, so, I don't know if he just woke up too, or if he's been awake. Um, I honestly don't know. Sometimes he wakes up at 5. Other times he wakes up at like 6, but he lets me sleep until about 7, which I'm thankful for. Um, I'm happy that he waits, so that way he lets me try to get a little more sleep. So, that's definitely a good thing. Alright, so right now it is 5:23 in the morning, in the morning. I'm probably gonna end the vlog around like 7 this morning. Right now I am actually editing a video. Yeah, you can actually see it better there. But yeah, I am editing a video. I'm gonna end up putting it on YouTube right after I edit it, and then edit another one and keep going. I do have work tonight, so I don't know if I'm gonna have a vlog tonight or not. I'm gonna try. Like I said, I'm gonna try and see where it goes from there. So I don't know. I'm gonna try. It is Monday. Normally I don't work on Mondays. You guys know that. But I was told that they had extra hours. So they had extra hours and they were willing to give me some, at least for this week anyway. And it's a good thing because it's Memorial Day. So I got extra pay for last night, which is definitely a good thing. Money is always needed, so especially since I'm getting 4 hours for holiday pay and then another 6 hours for working an extra day, that's double the money. So I'm working a lot more hours this week than I was last week. So it's always welcomed. Definitely always welcomed. So yeah. But other than that, nothing else has really changed other than the extra day but I do apologize. Like, I can't stream tonight like I wanted to, but the extra hours are more important to me right now. We are, I don't want to say we're in need of money, but money is definitely needed, especially since we're trying to save money for a house. We want a house, so we're definitely trying to save up money for a house. Especially right now, we're not struggling, but we are struggling in a way, if that makes any sense at all. But yeah, that's about it for right now. Like I said, I'm gonna end the vlog around 7 o'clock this morning, before we have to leave, and then I'll do it like I did yesterday, I think, where I uploaded it while I was on the way to work. So yeah, I will see you guys. Alright, so the vlog is gonna actually be a little shorter than I expected, but I am going to edit it and stuff when I get home, because I actually forgot. It's a little too close. Sorry, the lady was walking up and she was staring at me. But I am gonna kind of turn off that. But yeah, right now it's 7:20. 7:20 something, because the clock in here is an hour and a couple minutes slower. But I do apologize for the shortness of this vlog. I was trying to make it a little shorter. Sorry, guys. I was trying to make it a little longer, But hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. If you did, please like, subscribe, favorite, share with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!